Good morning mga kalokoy. So our topic for today is about C++ data types. So in this tutorial, we will learn about the basic of data types of the language C++, such as int, float, char or character, and etc. in C++ programming. So in C++, data types are declaration data types are declaration for variables. So this determines the type of variable you are using, or the type of variables you are using, or the size of the variable you are using, so which is associated to your variable. So for example, determines the type and the size of the data associated with the variables. Example is ngayong kaog int age is equals to 20. So here, age is a variable type. Age is a variable type of int. So may expect na ka nga ang dawaton do ni age nga variable is int type, which is 20 ang value. So daghan patay. So there are many data types. Example, integer, int. So means integer. So the size integer, then the size of the data which can be stored in the storage is 2 or 4 bytes. 2 or 4 bytes. Ana siya ang int. Then you have the float. So expected floating point. Sir, unsa ng floating point? So floating point is any number which is dili siya integer. For example, fraction. Example, di man ta maka-declare of fraction sa atong programming. That's why i-convert na nato siya. Example, 1.3, 1.4 nana. Mga floating point. Then the size of this float is 4 bytes. Then you have the double. So here there is double floating point. So unsay kalainan sa float o double? So what's the difference of float and double? The difference of them is ang iyang size of the variable nga imong gi-expect. So ang size niya is 8 bytes. Ana. Then you have the character. Char character. So the character, ang iyang size is 1 byte. So sir, example of character. Unsa nang mga character? For example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H na. Single lang. Dili pwede AB, dili pwede AC. So single lang siya nga character. A, B, C, ana na siya. Then another is string. Sir, unsa nang string? String is series of character. So ang size basta dako siya. Kaya nga naman, anong dako man siya ang string? It's because mudawat siya og many characters. So diya na example kanang mga text message niyo, ang data type ana is string or long string, mga nana siya string. So unsa example, series of characters. Name nimo Jason, example nana any series of character. So unsay kalainan sa character ug string? Character single lang siya, then the string is a series of character. So name, mga nana, pangalan sa lugar, nana. Then you have the boolean, bool or boolean. So unsa si boolean, sir? 1. Ang iyang size day is 1 byte. So mo yung boolean, either it is true or false. So 1 o 0, murag switch, murag sa atong siya tawag gani kanang switch sa suga, on and off nana boolean. Then mo na to. So int again balik mayong ganito og int, mayong ganito og int. So keyword is used to indicate integer. So kung mo gamit ka og integer, whole number, imong gamiton is int. So kung mo gamit ka og kanang mga number nga na decimal or fraction, you use float or double. If mo gamit ka og sing letter lang gusto nimo i-store sa imong variable, gusto ka mag-store sa imong variable og letter, imo din ang imo lang kuan is ang char. Next is string. Kung mogamit ka og series of character or long mga names or mga lugar, you use string. Then boolean, if it is used to check it is true or false, 1 or 0, boolean muna yung gamitan. So that's all for today. Thank you. Okay, so for more questions dito lang mo sa comment section mag kuan. If ever you have projects, basta makaya pwede ra dito ninyo i-comment. Testingan na to. Salamat mga kolokoy.